Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear history from your Safari browser in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser, the Safari browser here, and here on the bottom you can see the three dots. Click it and go to this bookmark option. If you cannot see this bookmark written here, you can just click the icon, just click it and go select this one, the history option, this one, and after that select the three dots on top, click it, and here you can see the option clear. Click the clear option, and now here are a couple of time frame that you can select, then the last hour, today or yesterday, and or you can delete all the history simply by clicking it. If I want to delete the last hour history, I will simply click it, and if I want to close all the tabs, by simply turn this on, and I can select the clear history now, and it will automatically delete my last hour browsing history. So if you cannot do this in this way, there are another way you can do. Just go to settings option, and here scroll down all the way and find the apps option here, click it and scroll down and find Safari app. Here it is, click it, and here scroll down and select clear history and website data. Click it, and here you can see the same option. You can easily delete all the history by simply clicking it, and turn on this to close a tab, and just simply click clear history. It will automatically delete all that browsing history. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.